6. Miso. Miso is a Japanese seasoning. It is traditionally made by fermenting soybeans with salt and a type of fungus called koji. Miso can also be made by mixing soybeans with other ingredients, such as barley, rice and rye. This paste is most often used in miso soup, a popular breakfast food in Japan. Miso is typically salty. You can buy it in many varieties, such as white, yellow, red and brown. Miso is a good source of protein and fiber. It is also high in various vitamins, minerals and plant compounds, including vitamin K, manganese and copper. Miso has been linked to some health benefits. One study reported that frequent miso soup consumption was associated with a lower risk of breast cancer in middle-aged Japanese women. Another study found that women who ate a lot of miso soup had a reduced risk of stroke. Summary: miso is a fermented soybean paste and a popular Japanese seasoning. It is rich in several important nutrients and may reduce the risk of cancer and stroke, especially in women. 7. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented black or green tea drink. This popular tea is fermented by a friendly colony of bacteria and yeast. It is consumed in many parts of the world, especially Asia. You can even purchase it online. The internet abounds with claims about the potential health effects of kombucha. However, high-quality evidence on kombucha is lacking. The studies that exist are animal and test tube studies, and the results may not apply to humans. However, because kombucha is fermented with bacteria and yeast, it does probably have health benefits related to its probiotic properties. Summary: kombucha is a fermented tea drink. It is claimed to have a wide range of health benefits, but more research is needed. 8. Pickles. Pickles, also known as gherkins, are cucumbers that have been pickled in a solution of salt and water. They are left to ferment for some time, using their own naturally present lactic acid bacteria. This process makes them sour. Pickled cucumbers are a great source of healthy probiotic bacteria which may improve digestive health. They are low in calories and a good source of vitamin K, an essential nutrient for blood clotting. Keep in mind that pickles also tend to be high in sodium. It is important to note that pickles made with vinegar do not contain live probiotics. Summary: pickles are cucumbers that have been pickled in salty water and fermented. They are low in calories and high in vitamin K. However, pickles made using vinegar do not have probiotic effects. 9. Traditional buttermilk. The term buttermilk actually refers to a range of fermented dairy drinks. However, there are two main types of buttermilk: traditional and cultured. Traditional buttermilk is simply the leftover liquid from making butter. Only this version contains probiotics, and it is sometimes called grandma's probiotic. Traditional buttermilk is mainly consumed in India, Nepal and Pakistan. Cultured buttermilk, commonly found in American supermarkets, generally does not have any probiotic benefits. Buttermilk is low in fat and calories but contains several important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, riboflavin, calcium and phosphorus. Summary: traditional buttermilk is a fermented dairy drink mainly consumed in India, Nepal and Pakistan. Cultured buttermilk, found in American supermarkets, does not have any probiotic benefits. 10. Natto. Natto is another fermented soybean product, like tempeh and miso. It contains a bacterial strain called Bacillus subtilis. Natto is a staple in Japanese kitchens. It is typically mixed with rice and served with breakfast. It has a distinctive smell, slimy texture and strong flavor. Natto is rich in protein and vitamin K2, which is important for bone and cardiovascular health. A study in older Japanese men found that consuming natto on a regular basis was associated with higher bone mineral density. This is attributed to the high vitamin K2 content of natto. Other studies suggest that natto may help prevent osteoporosis in women. Summary: natto is a fermented soy product that is a staple in Japanese kitchens. It contains a high amount of vitamin K2, which may help prevent osteoporosis and heart attacks. 11. Some types of cheese. Although most types of cheese are fermented, it does not mean that all of them contain probiotics. Therefore, it is important to look for live and active cultures on the food labels. The good bacteria survive the aging process in some cheeses, including Gouda, mozzarella, cheddar and cottage cheese. Cheese is highly nutritious and a very good source of protein. It is also rich in important vitamins and minerals, including calcium, vitamin B12, phosphorus and selenium. Moderate consumption of dairy products such as cheese may even lower the risk of heart disease and osteoporosis. summary, only some types of cheese, including cheddar, mozzarella and Gouda, contain probiotics. Cheese is very nutritious and may benefit heart and bone health. Probiotic foods are incredibly healthy. There are many very healthy probiotic foods you can eat. This includes numerous varieties of fermented soybeans, dairy and vegetables. 11 of those are mentioned here, but there are many more out there. If you can't or won't eat any of these foods, you can also take a probiotic supplement. Shop for probiotic supplements online. Probiotics, from both foods and supplements, can have powerful effects on health.